Okay, so we will move on to more problems from permutations. A gentleman has 6 friends to invite. A gentleman has got 6 friends to invite. In how many ways can he send invitation card to them if he has 3 servants to carry the cards? So basically, these invitation cards could be sent to each of these 6 friends by means of 3 servants. So let's say the first friend can get it in any of the 3 ways from 3 servants, second friend also, and so on and so forth. So each of these friends can get it from any of the 3 servants. So we will have first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. Each of these friends can get it from any of these 3 servants. Okay, so 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, that will be how much? 3 to the power of 6, that's basically 9 to the power of 3. 9 9s are 81, 81 into 9, that is 729. So this is the total number of ways that he can receive it. Okay, so 729 ways. A gentleman has 6 friends to invite. In how many ways can he send invitation card to them if he has 3 servants to carry the cards? So that is basically 729 ways. In how many ways can the letters of the word abacus be arranged so that the vowels always appear together? Now how many letters are there? It is basically a 6-letter word, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So obviously it can be done in factorial 6 ways, but here we have to take the vowels together. So how many vowels do we have? 3 vowels. So this is 3 vowels. If we take, so now the vowels are always together. Vowels are to be taken together, so we can consider them as one. Considering them to be one alphabet only. All these vowels, to be considering them to be one alphabet only. So what do we have here? How many ways is now possible? So 1 2 and 3. So we have, so remaining how many letters? Remaining we have 3 letters. So total letters will be, it will be 4 alphabets. 1 2 3, that is 1, and 3 4. So this can be done in factorial 4 ways. Factorial 4 ways of arrangement. Now this factorial 4 ways of arrangement is there. So out of this factorial 4 ways of arrangement, in vowels itself, how many ways can be done? So we have 2 A's and 1 U. So number of ways in which the vowels can be arranged will be factorial 3, and since 2 are similar, so this will be upon factorial 4, upon factorial 2. Since 2 A's are similar, the number of ways in which 3 vowels can be arranged amongst themselves is factorial 3. The reason why we are considering them is to be separate amongst themselves is because we have considered them to be one. So separating them, this is 3 arrangements which are possible, that is factorial 3, and these 2 vowels are similar, so this will be factorial 3 into 2 upon 2. So the required number of ways, required number of ways will be factorial 4 into factorial 3 by factorial 2. So this will be 4 into 3 into factorial 2 into 3 into, so 3 factorial 3 is nothing but 6 upon factorial 2, this gets cancelled. 4 3s are 12, 12 6 are 72 ways. So we will have approximately 72 ways here. 4 3s are 12, 12 6 are 72. Okay, alright, so now we will go to this one. In how many words can the letters of the pencil be arranged so that I is always next to L? A simple problem here. So how many letters do we have in pencil? In pencil, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now out of 6, I is always next to L. So this is how it appears. I always next to L. Okay, now how many ways can this happen? So taking Li as 1. Taking Li as one alphabet, how many alphabets do we now have? 1 2 3 4 and 5. So this is factorial 5 ways of arranging. Now Li is placed, so factorial 5 ways of arranging. Now we have just one combination of Li, we cannot take IL. Otherwise we would have multiplied this by factorial 2, but here it has been written that I is always next to L, so only one arrangement has been taken. So this is factorial 5 ways, that is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That's how much. 5 4s are 20, 23s are 60, 62s are 120. 120 ways. Simple problems out here, okay? Okay, another problem out here. Prove that 33 is divisible by 2 to the power of 15. What is the largest integer n such that 33 is divisible by 2 to the power of n? So this is factorial 33 basically. Okay, so if we look into the factorial 33 part, this will be how much? 33 into 32, a lengthy problem it seems. 31 into 30 into 29 into 28 into 27, 26 and so on and so forth. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That's basically 33 factorial. Now let's say if we happen to write this in such a way. So 32 we know can be written as 2 to the power of 5. So this will be 33 into 2 to the power of 5. Okay, 31 we can't do anything. 30 we will see later. 29, 28. So let's first so we have 2 to the 4, 2, 3, 2, 8, 2 to the power of 3. So this is 2 to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 3. So 2 to the power of 4 is 16, 2 to the power of 5 is 32. So 4, 8, 16 and 32. So these are the ones which we can certainly bring it out. So we have here 30, then we have 29 into and so on and so forth. We will move on till 16. So 17 and then we have 2 to the power of 4. Okay, then we have so we have already taken out 32, we have taken out 16, then so on and so forth. We will move on to, let's say, 9 and then we have 2 to the power of 8, 2 to the power of 3. Okay, 2 to the power of 3 and then we have, let's say, 5 and then we have 2 to the power of 2 and then we have 3 into 2 into 1. So these can be taken out, 2 to the power of 5, 2 to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 3 and 2 to the power of 2. So 2 to the power of 5, 2 to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 2. So amongst all these factors, we have basically taken out these and 2 of course, 2 to the power of 1. So we have taken out these. Amongst all these factors of factorial 33, we have taken out this. So now we will be left with 33 into 31 into 30 into 29, okay, till let's say 3 into 1, because we have already taken out 2. Now so this will be 5 plus 4, 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 1, 15. So this will be 2 to the power of 15. So see, this is divisible into 33 into, let's say now we will take out the even numbers out here. Okay, so for 30 we can write for 33, 32 is already taken out, 31. So this will be 31. For 30 we can write 2 15s are 30. So this will be 1 2 into 15. 29 we can write as it is. 28 we can take out 1 2 into 14. Okay, so we can take 2 square. For 27 nothing. 26 we can take out 1 3 2. For 25 we cannot take out any. For 24 8 3s are 24, so we can take out 2 cube. Then for 23 we cannot take out anything. 22 we can take out 1 2. Then 21 we cannot take out anything. 20 we can take 4 so these are basically what we are doing here is, let's take it this way. So 33 can't do much, 31 can't do much, 2 into 15, 29 stays at is 2 square, this will be 28, 2 square, 4 7s are 28. Then we have 26, so this will be 2 into 13. Then we have 25, so 25 remains as it is. 24, 8 3s are 24. Then we have 23, So it remains as it is. 22, that is 2 into 11, that is 21. 21 remains as it is. 20, that is 2 square into 5. 19, we have 18, that is 2 into 9. We have 17, we have 16, that is 2 to the power of 4. We have 14, 16, then we have 50, we have 16, 17, 16, 15 we have, then we have 14, 2 into 7, then we have 13, then we have 12, then we have 11, then we have 10, 10 is 2 into 5, then we have 9, then we have 8, then we have 7, then we have 6, then we have 5, then we have 4, then we have 3, then we have 2 is already taken out. We will just quickly look at what has already been taken out. So 33, 31, 2 into 15, 29, 4 7s are 28, 26, 25, 25, 8 3s are 24, 23 into 2, we have to take out 16. So 16 has already been taken out. Okay, so 32 has been taken out, 16 has been taken out, then we have to take out 8. 8 has already been taken out. 8 has already been taken out. Then we have to take out 2 square. So this has already been taken out, and this has already been taken out. So if we look into this, this will be 2 to the power of 15. Very quickly, if I take all these out, 2 1, 3, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 7 8, then we have 1 9, then we have 1 10, then we have 11 12, then 13 14. What are we getting here as 2 plus 1 3, one other 2 here. How many 2's do we have here? 15, 9, another 2 here. Yes. Okay, so we are getting here 1, 2 plus 1 3, 4, 5 6 7, 8 9, 10 11 12, 13 14 15 16, 16. Why are we getting this will be 16 into 2 to the power of 16. Why are we getting here 5? This is 2 7s are 14, 13, then we have 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, we have taken out 7, 6, 5, 4, we have taken out 3, we have taken out. So we have here 15 2s are 30, and this is 4 7s are 22 plus 1 3, 4, okay, 2 plus 1 3, 4, 2 plus 1 3, 4, 5 6 7, 8, 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Okay, so we have here 16. Okay, now inside we will have all these numbers 33, 31, then we have 15 into 29 and so on and so forth till 1. It is a wrong sequence of numbers, so we cannot align any sequence out here. Okay, so this part is already done. What is the largest? Okay, so it is divisible by 215. Why? Because see, this definitely is divisible. This is nothing but factorial 33 only. So this is divisible by 2 to the power of 15, as we can see. 2 to the power of 15 is a factor, so this will be divisible by 2 to the power of 15. Now we have to check for the largest number n such that 2n is divisible. So we can see here that 2 to the power of 15 into 2 to the power of 16, this will be equal to 2 to the power of n, because such that factorial 33 is divisible by 2n. So what will be the highest number n such that it is divisible? Now we can see that if we pull out all the 2's out here, we get 2 to the power of 31 is equal to 2 to the power of n. So therefore n is equal to 31. Not a permutation question, but it is basically a question related to factorials. So here the largest number will be 31. Here the largest number will be 31. Okay, here it has been asked such that factorial 33 is divisible by factorial 2 to the power of n, sorry, by 2 to the power of n. Now what we have done is, first we took out all the 2's and their factors. So we have taken out 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32, which can be converted into 2, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 4 and 2 to the power of 5. So we have taken them all out. What remains here, from here we will take out all the factors of 2. So all the factors of 2, we know 2 15s are 30, then we know 2 square. We actually don't have to write the entire thing. We will pull out all the, so we know all the even numbers out here, right? So we have already taken out 2. So our next 3, so from 1 to 33, we'll pull out all the even numbers. So 1 it makes no sense, 2 makes no sense because it is already out, 3 makes no sense, 4 makes no sense, 5 makes no sense, 6 we have to pull out 1 2. So for 6 we get 1 2. Then we have 7, nothing of that nature. 8 we have already pulled out, 9 nothing, 10 we can pull out 1 2. Okay, 11 nothing, 12 we can pull out, 12 we can pull out, 4 3s are 12, so we can pull out 2 square. 13 we have nothing, 14 we have 1 2, 14 we have 1 2, 15 we have nothing, 16 we have already pulled out, 17 nothing, 18 we have 1 2, 19 nothing, 20 we have 4 5s are 20, so we have 2 square. 21 nothing, 22 we have 1 2 coming out, 23 24 is 4 6 are, so this will be 2 cube. 8 3s are 24 basically. 25 nothing, 26 we have 1 2 coming out, 27 nothing, 28 1 2 coming out, no, basically 2 square coming out, 4 7s are 28. 29 nothing, 30 we have 1 2 coming out, 31 nothing, 32 is already out. So this is how many 2's we can get. So 1 2 2 plus 2 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. That's how we are getting 2 to the power of 16. The rest of the factors are written inside. So this is all with regards to 2 as a factor. So the number of factors we get as 2 is 2 to the power 15 to the power 16. This will be the highest number n. So here n is equal to 31. Okay, so that was about this question. We will move on to the next question here. How many words can be formed from the letters of the word ordinate? The letters of the word ordinate, so that vowels occupy odd places. So we have vowels, consonants, vowels, consonants, vowels, consonants, vowels, consonants. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So vowels are going to occupy odd places. How many vowels do we have here? 1 2 3 4. So 4 vowels can occupy these 4 odd places. The 4 vowels can occupy 4 odd places, 4 odd places in factorial 4 ways. And the 4 consonants, that is 1 2 3 and 4, the 4 consonants can occupy 4 even places in 4 factorial 4 ways. So therefore the number of total ways possible will be factorial 4 into factorial 4. That means how much? 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that's 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, and again this will be 24 is 576, I guess. Yes, 576. 24 will be 576. So there are 576 ways in which this can be done. Okay. Okay, one more problem out here in permutations. Using digits 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, how many numbers greater than 2000 can be made? Okay, so how many numbers greater than 2000 can be made? So here we have, obviously the total number of numbers that can be made, total number will be how much? We have 1 2 3 4 5 factorial 5 ways of arranging it, out of which we have two 2's common, so this will be factorial 5 by factorial 2, and this will be 5 into 4 into 3 into factorial 2 upon factorial 2, which is 5 4s are 20, 23s are 60. Now out of these 60 ways, or rather 60 numbers, okay, we have numbers which are starting from 0. So numbers which we cannot include, numbers starting from 0. So if we start the number with 0, we will be left with how many combinations? 4 places to fill, out of which 2 are common. 4 places to fill, out of which 2 are common. So this will be 4 into 3 into factorial 2 upon factorial 2, that gives us 12 ways. And again this has to be greater than 2000. So obviously if we fill the first place, number starting from 0, or numbers, all these are basically 4-digit numbers, 4-digit, okay, numbers starting from 1. So in that case what we will have is again same thing, factorial 4, we will be left with 0, 2, 2 and 3 to fill with, again factorial 2, so this will be 12 ways. So we cannot have numbers starting from 1 because all numbers have to be greater than 2000, and we cannot have numbers starting from 0 because if the number starts from 0, then obviously it will be a 3-digit number instead of a 4-digit number. Okay, so we have to exclude these two cases from the total number of cases. So the required number of ways will be 60 minus 12 minus 12, that is 60 minus 24, 60 minus 24, the 36 numbers. There will be 36 numbers. So out of these digits we can make 36 numbers. Okay, now using digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, how many 4-digit even numbers can be made? So that, okay, now even number, so let's say we have to make a 4-digit number, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So for this to be an even number, it has to be either filled with a 0, either filled with a 2, or with a 4, or with a 6. 0, 2, 4 and 6. The number has to end with 0, 2, 4 and 6. So we'll take the case when it ends with 0. Units digit, the units digit as 0. This can be done in 1, 2, 3. So we have 1, 2, sorry, if we exclude the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers, and we can fill the 3 places in 6p3 ways. That will be how much? That will be how much? Factorial 6 by factorial 3, factorial 6 by factorial, so this will be 6 into 5 into 4 into factorial 3 upon factorial 3. So that will be 6 5s are 30, 34s are 120 ways with numbers ending with 0. Now let's say numbers ending with 4. So numbers ending with 4, the remaining 3 places, so this number, this place can be filled in. We cannot fill a 0 out here, so we have already filled a 4 here, so this place can be filled in 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 digits. This can be filled in 5 digits if the number, if we have selected 4 out here, so we cannot fill a 0 out here. So this place cannot be filled by a 0, so it can be filled by either a 1, 2, 3, 5 or a 6, because the repetition is not allowed. Without being repeated, no repetition allowed. So we can fill this by 5. So this place can be filled with 5. If we select 2 here, same 5 numbers ending with 4 or with 2 or with so this can be selected in 5 ways. This place can be filled in 5 ways, and similarly also in case of 6, this can be filled in 5 ways. So this can be filled in 5 ways. Now what about the next one? So now we can include a 0 here. So again this will be 5. 1 digit has been already used here, 1 digit has been used here, but we were not including 0 out here. This 0 will be included here. So here 1 digit is already gone, so we will be filling this with 5. So the remaining number of digits to be filled here would be 4. So in each of these cases, 4, 2 or 6, we can fill these places by either 5 digits and 4 digits. So 5 and 4, that will be 25 into 4, 100 ways. So with 0 as the last number, we can do it in 120 ways, and with 2, 4 or 6 as the last number, we can do it in, okay, now obviously the last number can be filled with either a 2 or a 4 or a 6. So this can be done in 3 ways. Let's look at it again. For each of these combinations, for each of this, let's say if I select 2, I can fill the first place by 5 digits excluding 0. I cannot fill a 0 here, so I will be left with 5 digits. Once I have used the 5 digits, the next place can be filled again with 5 digits, because this time we will be including the 0 which we have not included in this place. Okay, so 2 digits used here and 1 digit used here, so that will be leaving us with 4 digits out here. So this can be filled with 4. Now each of these place can be filled with a 2 or a 4 or a 6, so hence the 3. Okay, so this will be 25 4 is 100, this will be 300 ways. So the total number of ways will be 300 plus 120, that is equal to 420 ways. This is how it will be done. Okay.